When watching the video, consider the mirror, signal, maneuver procedure approaching junctions. This means, you first check your mirrors, then signal if necessary. You then slow down and consider your gear and road position. These videos will help you put all this into place. What junction is coming up? You are following the road ahead at the mini roundabout. It's the first exit ahead. Do you need a signal? It is not essential to signal when going ahead at a mini roundabout, though it could be helpful to other drivers. What should you do approaching a mini roundabout? Check mirrors. Slow down. Use second gear. Look for traffic arriving from the right. Is it safe? At the next roundabout, you are heading to the town center, so which exit is that? It's the second exit left. So as you approach, how will you signal? You will not have a signal on. You will put a left signal on as you pass the first exit. Where should your road position be? Your road position should be over to the left, or towards the outside of the roundabout. So how will you approach the roundabout? Check mirrors. Slow down. Use second gear. Give way to all traffic arriving to the right. Is it safe? What gear do you need now? You need first gear. Is it safe? What is the speed of this road? You're currently moving at this speed and the road is clear ahead. What gear could you use now? What do these markings on the road mean? It is a box junction. What does a box junction mean? You cannot stop in a box junction unless you are turning right and your exit road is clear. Is this a safe gap? Up ahead there is a mini roundabout. You are going ahead. It could also be seen as the first exit left. How should you approach this mini roundabout? Check mirrors. Signal if you choose. Slow down. Use second gear. Look to the right and be ready to give way to traffic. Is it safe to make a decision to enter the roundabout here? It is not. The view to the road on the immediate right is very poor. By the time we reach the roundabout, someone may arrive to our right and we will need to stop. Therefore, we need to arrive very slowly and be ready to stop. Your speed is related to visibility. The worse your visibility, the slower you need to drive in case you need to stop, so you are able to stop before the roundabout and not in it. Now we are close to the roundabout, and we have a better view of the road to our right. Now we can see this road is clear and we can immediately enter the roundabout so we can make a safe decision to proceed. What hazards can we see up ahead? A zebra crossing. What should we do when we see a zebra crossing up ahead? Check the pavements on either side of the crossing for pedestrians. We must give way to any pedestrians waiting to cross. As we approach, if we see any pedestrians walking towards the crossing, we should slow down and be ready to stop in case they do want to use it. Up ahead, you are turning right, off the main road. How should you approach this turn? Check mirrors. Put a right signal on. Slow down and use second gear. Position up to the center line. Look out for oncoming traffic and other hazards, including pedestrians. Is it safe to turn? We have a car coming towards us. This car has priority, so we must let this car pass before turning. If we slow down enough, we can allow more time to let this car pass so we can keep the car moving, and perhaps still use second gear. If we continue quickly, we will have to stop at the point we'd like to turn. Remember to also look at your new road as you approach, as well as looking at oncoming traffic. This will make you turn tidier and also allow to look for hazards around the junction or in the new road you are entering. Also look out for change of speed signs. What hazard is up ahead? What gap do we need to leave going around parked cars and obstructions? Before going wide around it, what should we do first? What is the speed of this road? Like and subscribe for more driving tips.